Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an administrator account, and the Bitlocker password or recovery key. Plug the drive directly into the PC and use a reliable USB port. Open File Explorer to see the locked volume, then right-click and choose Unlock Drive or Manage Bitlocker. You do this now because having the key ready prevents delays. Once done, Windows will prompt for the password or key. Enter it carefully, because repeated failures may trigger recovery mode. Once you attempt unlocking, provide the password first. It's fastest. If that fails, paste the 48-digit recovery key when prompted. If you prefer command line, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE Unlock X. Recovery password your KEY to unlock. This is precise and logs results. Make sure to replace X with the drive letter. If the drive still resists, you can try Repair BDE to recover data to another drive, but that requires the recovery key and extra free space. You finish by copying essential files off the unlocked drive to secure storage. This prevents future lockouts from causing data loss. If you cannot find the key, check the Microsoft account linked to the device or ask your organization's administrator because they may store recovery keys. If you see errors during unlock, run chkdsk on the volume and retry Manage BDE with verbose output. That helps diagnose corrupted headers. One key troubleshooting tip. If header damage exists,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.